Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well, and today I would be teaching you this look which is on my face. So tap ahead to see how I created this look. I'm going to start with the eye now, and I will be priming it with the concealer, and the one that I'm using is from Laura Mercier, and I'm just putting a very light amount of concealer on my lid. And then I'm setting this concealer with a powder. You can take any powder. I'm using the By Terry one. I'm just taking it on a small fluffy brush. By the way, all the brushes that I'm using in the tutorial are from Beautylicious India. They do some fabulous brushes. You can definitely check their page out. I will be linking it in my stories. And now we're going to be working on the crease, and today I'm going to be using this palette by Too Faced. This is called the Pretty Rich palette. This is a beautiful palette, and I'm going to be taking it on this brush. This is the BLE301, again from Beautylicious. I am going into this shade called Fancy That, and I'm going to build up on the crease. Now once the crease is done, I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is BLE315. This is a very good eye brush, very dense to pack color, and it still has a lot of bristles to blend the color out. Now I'm taking Oh That's Rich color, again from the same palette, and I'm taking it on the smaller brush so that I can accentuate the outer V of my eye, and I will just stamp the color and then take it slightly into the crease of my eye. I'm going to take the same color a little under the eye as well, on the lower lid, keeping it on the outer 1/3. Now I'm taking a clean brush. This one is BLE304, and I'm going to just buff out the edges of the dark brown that we've put. And now I'm going to move in with a pencil on the upper waterline. The pencil that I'm using is from Chambord. This is Extreme Eyes. This is in the shade Golden Brown 08, and I'm going to just roughly apply it on my upper eyelid. I'm just going to be buffing out the edges of the eyeliner that I've put. I am again taking this brush BLE316 and just buffing out the top edge of the pencil that we've put. And now what I'm going to do is with the same small brush that we had used for the outer corner, I'm going to take the same color, Oh That's Rich, the dark brown, and just intensify what the pencil has taken away. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take this color called Filthy Rich. This is a nice shiny kind of a brown color, and I'm going to take it on a flat brush and put it on the 2/3 of my lid. The glitter that I'm using is from Lit Cosmetics. I got it from Let's Dollop, and this is Lit Metals. It's Crave plus Gold. It's a nice rich brown color. This is the kind of glitter, and I'm gonna stamp it wherever I have put the shadow. I am not using any glitter glue. I am taking very little amount of product and just pressing it with my finger. Now the same brush that I had used for smudging the liner, I'm going to use and take this shade called Fancy That on the brush and just smoke out the bottom lash line. I will be giving my lashes a good curl before I put on the mascara. I am using this eyelash curler by Inglot. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the MAC one. It's called the Extended Jigger Black Play. Now that the eyes are done, we are going to be moving on to the skin, and I would be using this oil. This is the Daily Reviving Concentrate from Kiehl's. This oil is a very quickly absorbing oil and does not leave any kind of greasy residue, still hydrates the skin really well. So for the foundation today, I'm using this one by Terry. This is the Hyaluronic Hydra foundation. I'm going to move on to the concealer to hide my melasma, as well as just give a little bit more concealing under my eyes. I'm taking the Laura Mercier concealer in the shade 2.5W. Now for powdering, I'm using the hyaluronic powder by Terry again, and I am taking it on a mid-size brush. I'm not taking it on a very big brush, and I'm going to be setting the areas where I've used the concealer as well as my full face with this powder itself. So I'm going to start putting powder where I've put the concealer first, and then very lightly I would be dusting it all over my face. Now I will be moving on to the contour. For this, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow, and I am just putting it onto the hollows of my face. I am just taking the contouring powder a little onto my forehead, the very edges of my forehead, so that there's no strong demarcation where the foundation ends and where your hairline begins. Now we'll move on to the blush, and for this I'm using the Sparkling Bellini by Too Faced, and I'm just concentrating on these two colors, and I'm keeping it very feathery strokes. I'm not putting too much pressure while I'm putting the blush, so the ends are nice and diffused. So for the highlight, I am using this one by Illamasqua. This is called OMG. So for the lips, in this look, I just applied this L'Oreal Infallible Lip Stain. I'm not very sure of the shade though. Yeah, it is 353 Nudist, and I'm going to top it up with this metallic lipstick from Wet n Wild, just in the center of the lip, so that it just gives a little bit of a glossy effect. Let's take a closer look at the makeup. I shoot in natural light, so this is true to color. This is how exactly the makeup looks like. And let's take a closer look at the eye makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.